What if Africa could lead the world in smart, data-driven mobility? Not by imitation, but by building systems designed for our roads, our markets, and our realities. Welcome to Afrimetra. My name is Omeke Amos Nnamdi, and Afrimetra is a strategic platform focused on automotive technology, fleet intelligence, engineering systems, and AI-driven mobility for Africa. This channel is built for industry stakeholders, technical professionals, policy-aware partners, and global collaborators seeking African insight and opportunity. Afrimetra represents a new layer of intelligence in African mobility. At its core, Afrimetra is about measurement, optimization, standardization, and data-driven decision-making. We focus on how vehicles, spare parts, fleets, and transport systems can be managed as engineered systems, not trial-and-error operations. Africa does not lack vehicles. Africa lacks coordinated automotive intelligence. That is the gap Afrimetra exists to close. Across Nigeria and much of Africa, the automotive sector faces deep structural challenges. Unregulated and poorly tracked vehicle and spare parts importation, limited access to verified importation data, high penetration of counterfeit or substandard components, maintenance practices driven by experience rather than diagnostics, fleet losses caused by fuel waste, unplanned failures, and poor asset visibility. These are not mechanical problems, they are system problems. Afrimetra approaches them from an engineering, data, and policy-aware perspective. One of the most overlooked areas in Africa's automotive ecosystem is controlled importation data. Afrimetra is focused on traceable vehicle and spare parts importation, data-linked component verification, usage-based suitability for African conditions, and alignment between importers, dealers, and end users. When importation data is structured and accessible, dealers gain trust, mechanics reduce guesswork, fleets reduce failure rates, and regulators improve standards. This is where technology meets accountability. Modern vehicles generate data every second. The challenge is not data availability. The challenge is data interpretation. Afrimetra explores AI-assisted diagnostic logic, predictive maintenance frameworks, fault pattern recognition for African road and fuel conditions, and standardized diagnostic knowledge for mechanics and fleet operators. AI does not replace technicians, it elevates them. In Africa, this means faster fault identification, reduced downtime, lower operating costs, and consistent technical standards across regions. Beyond what is publicly discussed, Afrimetra is also focused on emerging and underexplored areas critical to Africa's automotive future. Data-driven spare parts recommendation systems, fleet performance benchmarking, knowledge standardization for mechanics, policy-aligned automotive intelligence, and cross-border mobility data frameworks. Some of these areas are still developing, others are intentionally strategic. All are essential to Nigeria and Africa's automotive evolution. Afrimetra is open to collaboration with importers and authorized dealers, fleet owners and logistics operators, mechanics ready for modern systems, technology partners, and development agencies. If your interest lies in structured automotive growth in Africa, this platform is for you. Subscribe, engage, partner. From Africa, building mobility intelligence for the world. Welcome to Afrimetra.